There is one thing I started doing at night that completely changed how my mornings feel. And the best part is, I don't do it in the morning. I do it for about 15 minutes before I finish my day. Because there was a time when I would wake up and immediately notice everything I haven't done the night before: the cup on the table, the clothes on the chair, the bag I left somewhere, the kitchen that still needed cleaning. And before I even had brushed my teeth, my brain was already making a list. And I remember thinking, why does the house feel so messy when I barely did anything? Then I realized it wasn't one big mess. It was 100 tiny unfinished things that I carried all from one day into the next. And I tried something different. I stopped treating cleaning like a huge weekend project. Instead, I started treating cleaning like a small nighttime reset. I am not deep cleaning my living room at 9:30 at night. I'm just resetting the space. I fold the blanket, put the cushions back, move anything that doesn't belong here. And if I had dinner at the dining table, I give the table just a quick wipe. I used to think these things were too small to make a difference, but somehow they make a huge difference in the next morning. Then I do a quick scan to see the things that sits where it doesn't belong. My bag doesn't belong on the sofa. The keys doesn't belong on the TV table. So I put them back. And this is one of the habits where you don't realize how useful it is until you stop doing it. Because tomorrow morning, everything is already where I expect it to be. Honestly, this is the one area I really try to not leave for the morning. Because I learned the hard way that waking up to a dirty kitchen is not the kind of surprise I want. So I wash whatever dishes left, wipe the countertop, keep the leftover food away, and if the floor needs it, I'll do a quick sweep. And that's it. I'm just getting the kitchen from used today to ready for tomorrow. And there is something so satisfying about waking up into a kitchen and seeing a clean counter. Before I finish, I do a quick check for things that I better deal with tonight. Like bed waste from the kitchen goes out, and dirty clothes go into the laundry basket. Anything that could smell or make the house feel less fresh by morning, I try not to leave it there. It's such a small thing, but makes a bigger difference than we realize. Then I like to do any tiny things for my tomorrow version of me. For me, it can be preparing my drinking water at night. If I know I want warm water in the morning, I prepare it ahead of time. Sometimes it might be something different, like getting something ready for breakfast. But I love the feeling of waking up and finding that I already helped myself. And once the house is reset, I do one last thing: I reset my head. So I write down whatever is floating around in my head about work, home, personal things. something I don't want to forget. I just put thoughts somewhere outside my head, like a to do list. And once it is written down, I don't feel like I need to keep thinking about it. And with that, I'll be telling my brain, okay, now it's time for you to wind down. And when I put all this together, it really doesn't take that long. I give myself roughly 10 to 15 minutes to finish this. A couple of minutes in the living room, a couple of minutes putting things back, a few minutes in the kitchen, take out the waste, prepare one thing for tomorrow, and write down what is on my mind. That's it. Some nights might take even less, and some nights may take a little longer. And that's okay too, because the point is not to create another routine that make you feel guilty when you don't complete it. The point is to make your life lighter. Maybe we can simply start with having less to clean. And that's why these 15 minutes work for me. If this video resonated with you, don't forget to like and share it with someone who is also trying to create a calmer home. And if you too have a night reset routine, leave a +1 in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Until see you in the next one. Take care.